Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about income strategy. So income strategies are low risk and the medium return. If the risk is low, of course we need a higher capital. So the capital required, it will be in the range of 1.5 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. ROI we can expect from 2% to 15%, depends on the strategy we are deploying. So for the income strategy, I am going to discuss 4 best strategies. The first strategy is a covered call. So for the covered call, we have to buy stock or we have to buy future, then we are going to sell call. It will give you the fixed income when the stock is not moving anywhere, that's moving in a sideways, or if it moving higher. So the reward will be the call premium and the spread. Say for example our stock is trading 100. We are selling the call option of 110. So we will collect the premium for the 110 strike, the plus the difference between the 100 to 110. So that will be accumulated profit in our stock or in future. So the risk will be, suppose if the future or the stock price is moving down, it will be the price loss. Suppose if the stock is moving higher and that is crossing our price, and if it is super bullish, then we will be in a opportunity loss. So today for the covered call, I am going to discuss about the SBIN, that is State Bank of India. So the current market price is 166.90. So future and options are enabled for this security. So this is the option chain, so that we have taken from the NSE website. All the strikes are traded in a 10 rupees interval. So underlying stocks is SBIN. So that is currently trading 166.90. So we can see all the strikes are trading 10 rupees interval. So nearest strike price are 150, 160, 170 and 180. So here for the covered call, we are choosing mostly out of the money contracts, OTM contracts. For example, the strike price 170, that is trading around 9.30. And for strike price 180, that is trading around 6 rupees. And for strike 190, that is trading around 3.7 rupees. And for strike 200, that is trading 2.3 rupees. So strike indicate the return on the capital, how much we are going to earn from that particular script. So market lot for the SBN is 3000. So here I am going to build the covered call. For example, I am going to buy SBN future and I go to sell 170 call at 9.3 rupees. Market lot is 3000. So 9.3 into 3000, 29,900. So total margin record is 2,63,000 rupees. So we can say if the SBN is not moving above 170, we will collect 9.3 rupees premium. So that is of course equal to the 10% of the margin deployed. So here I am giving one more example based on the SBN cash. Suppose if I am buying the SBN cash of 166, I have to buy 3000 quantity because the market lot for the SBN is 3000. So I have to buy 3000 to make a covered call. So based on this, I have to buy 4,98,000 rupees of equity. After that, I am going to sell one lot of 170 call option, that is trading around 9 rupees 30 paisa. So market lot would be 3000. So 9.3 into 3000. So that is coming 27,900. So the total margin recovered is 4,98,000. So this is the payoff chart. So we can see from the payoff chart, if the stock is not moving anywhere, if it is trading at the same price. So current market price is 166 rupees. If it trading in sideways or if it is moving higher, we will get the 9 rupee 30 paisa profit. But when the SBN price is moving lower, we will incur the loss in the future and in the stock also. Then how to make the profit? So here the profit comes only if the stock is moving sideways or if it is moving higher. If it is moving lower, we will incur the loss. So that's all for the part 1 video. In the part 2 video, I am going to discuss how we can make continuous profit in the covered call, how we can reduce the negative territory, how it's really income making machine.